So we're going to do a pull on here with the regular throttle body. Let's see what I'm doing my performance timers here. And we're going to do launch control. We'll go into track. This is going to be going uphill just slightly, but let's see what we can do. Alright, I'm going to stop. I'm going to put launch on. Here we go. Quick before my numbers go away on there. Not too bad. Alright, I'm gonna go find somewhere else that's not as crowded and try and do another one. Alright guys, so I'm on the side of a freeway road here that we have that's wide open, 3 lanes each way. There's nobody on it, and they've opened up the mile an hour to like 60, 65, so I can do a quick pull. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a line lock, which is I gotta push this arrow and the set button at the same time. So let me go ahead. So now I'm gonna pump my brakes twice, and then I'm gonna go ahead. I redlined it a little bit. I went up to the RPMs way too quick. But I got a little burnout there. So that's how you do a line lock on a Tazer installed Durango. Alright, so I'm turning back around so I can check out these marks. Up here. Here we go. I had to do the perfect burnout because I got to put my head strap on, but you can see the initial marks right there of it starting. Then I kind of dragged it along there until it caught up with me. So not too bad right there, huh? Not too shabby at all. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do a 0 to 60 again here. So we'll go performance pages. I'm going to leave it in sport mode or my custom mode this time, just to see if I get anything different. So anyway, all right, here we go. We're going to do a 0 to 60, and let's do it. Here, 3, 2, and 1. to 60, 4.6, 8.4 quarter, or I'm sorry, 8.48, 13.2 quarter at 103, which was exactly the same as the other one. So it looks like the difference between track mode and custom mode, which is my sport mode, is not much really of a difference at all, considering. If you guys take a look at my settings here for my custom mode, you can see I have most stuff on track, but I do have the steering sport, suspension street, transmission sport. So the only really difference is really the transmission and the suspension. Really, the steering doesn't have anything to do with the time, really. But I think that softer suspension really does actually kind of help plant a little more in the back wheels. So it can make a difference on there. Look at that, there's been some other people here doing some burnouts. I wonder who did that. Very interesting. But yeah, this is kind of like a school zone. There's really no traffic that comes here because all the schools are closed right now with this whole virus thing going on. So there's not too much. A lot of little burnouts here. Little off trail right there. I think I got a pretty good couple runs. I mean, the outside temperature there is 73. So I don't think I'm going to do too many more, to be honest with you. I think 2 runs at the same consistency there, I think we get a good idea. Now, I normally can do faster, but with the weather and the humidity right now, it's probably all I'm going to get, unless I can find me a flat surface somewhere and do a real good one somewhere. I guess I could do a quick 0 to 60 real quick and just see if I do get anything. But that's all I'll do. All right, we'll do one more. Let's see, is that a car coming? Ready? Okay, 73 out, and we're gonna go. Ready and set, and let's go. .5, 192/60 foot. So just a little bit better there. I was on a pretty even road, at least I think so. You never can tell with these roads the way everything's set up. So, alright, if I get to another spot to do another little burnout, I'll go ahead and do it. But as of right now,